Okay, this is to show you the project clean out. This is a Honda XR75 gas tank, and gas wasn't even flowing out of the gas tank. So I took the petcock off after taking the gas tank off and drained it. And this is what the petcock looks like taken apart. And you can see the oval washer goes in a little groove on the petcock, and it goes in the tank like so. And then there's a bowl that goes on the bottom of this. This is to trap water. That's threaded in, a metal bowl. The nut and the bowl are all in one. And then if you look closer here, you can see the petcock has many different little tubes and tunnels in there. This little brass piece is a screen, and that goes in here to act as one of the filters, and that you just grab with the pliers and pull in and out. It's held in by just friction. And so I guess let's start with the inputs. So this tube here is the main input, and that's where the gas is in the tank, and it grabs it up, a centimeter up, so it's regular. Down here, there's another input, and that's for the reserve. So when you have the lever here in the reserve position, it flows through this lower tube. Okay, this lever here, you can see screws on with 2 Phillips screws, and the back side of it has this little deep groove here, and that deep groove channels the input from this corner hole here. Let me get a paper clip here, or a screwdriver. This corner hole here, and then that either channels it to here, or from here, or here. This little corner hole is what feeds in through this tunnel here to go into the bowl, and that's what fills it up. And then after it's in the bowl, then it can go at the top here and down the tube, and then there's the rubber tube that goes to your carburetor. So there is a Phillips head screw that screws this to the tank, and you got to be careful when you unscrew it. It's usually on quite tight, and you don't want to strip that. But I had to use a paper clip and a little pick to get the varnish, the dried up gooey fuel that was left in there too long in order to clean this out. Now, after all is said and done, I could have bought a $15 petcock on Amazon, but I wanted to see if I could fix this and not pay for that and not wait for that. So just curious how this works. That's it. Thanks for watching.